Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play defense in NBA Live Mobile. To start, familiarize yourself with the core defensive controls. The guard button helps you stay in front of your opponent, while the block button is crucial for contesting shots. Practice switching players quickly to cover open opponents and intercept passes. Also, use the steal button strategically to disrupt the offense, but be careful not to foul. Mastering these basics is your first step to becoming a defensive powerhouse. Once you have the basics down, it is time to elevate your game with advanced strategies. Anticipating your opponent's moves is key. Try to predict where they will pass or drive. Employing zone defense can help protect the basket and the three-point line, forcing difficult shots. Remember to time your blocks and steals with precision. A well-timed block can completely shut down a scoring attempt, and a perfectly executed steal can lead to a fast break opportunity for your team. Your team's composition plays a vital role in your defensive success. When building your roster, prioritize players with high defensive ratings and specialized skills like shot blocking or perimeter defense. Look for players with strong block and steal attributes, as these are crucial for disrupting opponents. A balanced team, featuring both excellent perimeter defenders to guard outside shooters and strong interior defenders to protect the paint, will give you a significant advantage on the court. Even experienced players make defensive errors. One common mistake is overcommitting to steals. This can leave your defender out of position and create an easy path to the basket for your opponent. Another error is constantly switching players, which can disrupt your team's defensive assignments and open up gaps. Always maintain proper spacing to cover all offensive threats, preventing open shots and driving lanes. By avoiding these pitfalls, you will significantly improve your defensive efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.